Today we're going to talk about tips and tricks for organizing your physical space at MVA. This applies to students in grades K through 12. Organizing your physical workspace is important for students as we want them to have a space that is designated for learning. That means designing an area that might be in the side of their bedroom, in a common space in your home, but it needs to be an area that's quiet and free of distraction, so there aren't other voices or other activities going on while your student is learning in V class. Some other important things to consider is that there is a space for your student to sit and work and write. So some type of a table or a desk where they're able to sit in a chair with their feet touching the floor so they have proper posture and are able to hold pens or pencils as they are writing and to have proper formation as they are typing their keyboards. Another important thing is to organize materials. Just as your student would have materials with them at school that stay at school, they should have materials that are with their workspace that stay in their Manhattan Virtual Academy workspace. Some ways to do that are with organizers and boxes. So put your crayons in a box. Make sure that you have a bag that's got dry erase, flares, pencils. Maybe have a jar that has quick access to some things that you need, like Sharpies or pens or pencils. And then organize their materials. A planner is a great idea so that students can write down their calendar and have those important events highlight to match their pace chart or include their pace chart right there. It'll allow them to check mark and include what's done or what they need to finish for the week. Another important piece is our notebooks. So have your student get one notebook or get multiple notebooks if you're in elementary so that you have a notebook for a subject organized so students' notes are all together. It's also a great idea to have folders that match those notebooks. So with my science notebook, it's blue. I might have a blue folder to put in my science printables, my science labs, and my science work. Organizing your physical space will set your student up for success and allow them to make the most of their time in school, have their supplies so they're available during V classes and they don't have to be running back and forth, and save time for their learning.